What is good, YouTube? What is going on up next, family? And Danny here is back with another one for you guys, and today we are taking a look at Loanledger, and this is the platform that's going to allow you guys to trade with AI for maximum profits and success. So let's jump into it and check out Loanledger in 2026. Let's go. Here we are on Loanledger, grow stable with AI. Now, obviously in today's market, we know that the entire space is literally flooded with data indicators, with different signal groups, dashboards, constant updates, all sorts of gibberish that is not going to actually help you guys in this space. And I'll tell you what, having all this data and even more data at your fingertips does not automatically equal better decisions or better trading results. For many traders actually in the space, it just makes things a little bit more complex, a little bit more complicated, and at times a little less easy to use. Now, at the same time, we have been seeing a lot of fully automated trading platforms and systems popping up, especially in 2026, and a lot of them are actually starting to lose trust among traders. Obviously, when decision making is hidden inside a black box algorithm, it becomes harder to understand what's happening and even harder to actually stay in control during such unpredictable market conditions that we're experiencing right now. And this is exactly why this new category of crypto investment platforms is now currently emerging, and that is obviously the AI assisted trading with full human control. So one example of this that I want to show you guys is obviously the Loanledger platform. They do have a video here as well explaining Loanledger, but what it exactly is, that it is a crypto investment platform that is built for investors who want to have exposure to active trading without actually trading themselves. So you don't have to analyze charts, you don't have to place orders or even manage different positions. And you can see here the platform in numbers. They actually started back in October 10th of 2025. Current days running right now is 139, and total customers registered over 5,000, which is absolutely massive. The growth process here behind the AI trading platform is explained as obviously funding the AI trading model, and then the AI model actually starts trading for you, placing buy orders, placing sell orders. You can see the daily income coming in and the principal return after 30 days. So again, you don't analyze charts, you don't place these orders yourself, or even manage any of the positions that are put in by the AI. You simply choose an investment model, deposit the funds, and the platform handles everything else for you. Now, Loanledger does actually offer two different approaches depending on how returns are actually generated. This is, I believe, the AI trading and the manual trading as well. So the first is the AI assisted arbitrage actually, and this is where your funds are actually allocated to an AI system that looks for different price differences across crypto markets. And obviously we know arbitrage is massive, has been massive in the crypto space for a very long time, and obviously utilizing that and different discrepancies in the crypto market, being able to buy at a cheaper price on a certain exchange and sell at a higher price on another exchange is a massive way to actually allocate small profits over and over again and compound those into larger profits. And that is exactly one way that you can actually earn with the AI assisted arbitrage. Again, in a traditional form of arbitrage, you'd have to go and look for every single one of these opportunities. It's extremely hard to do so. You may be able to catch one here and there, but to be able to actually compound it into something that's worth your time, it is extremely difficult, it is extremely time consuming, and you are going to miss opportunities, and you are going to actually lose money trying to do that manually. With this system, from the investor side, the process is fully hands-off. There's no manual actions required after the deposit. And then they have obviously the second option, which is manual trading that I showed you guys right here, funding your account with the manual trading, and it is handled by an in-house team of professional traders working for the platform. So they use classic trading strategies, trading both on price increases and price declines, and obviously depending on market movement. And this model is going to offer you guys a fixed return based on the investment package that you guys actually go with. And again, these investors don't trade themselves. All the execution is done internally by Loanledger, the team of professionals that they have behind the platform. And what's important here specifically is that there is a clear separation of roles. The investors to invest, the trading is handled either by AI systems or by professionals, traders behind the scenes. And this structure is removing completely the emotional decision making from the users that actually ends up losing you guys a whole bunch of profits, and keeps this experience completely simple and predictable, with risk management being handled at the platform level, the strategies, operations within predefined limits that actually have position sizing rules, execution controls. So all of this exposure actually stays completely managed even during volatile market conditions. And the goal is not short-term speculation, but more of a consistent performance through structured execution. And you guys can see the 4-step setup right here. Again, funding your account, their team is doing the trading, the daily income's coming in, and the principal is returned, and the balance when the plan is finished. The last deals right here, you guys can actually see massive amounts of profits and spreads actually being utilized and taken advantage of, which is absolutely incredible to see. You can see their incorporation information here as well in the UK with the company name, the company ID, again fully verifiable. In Australia, more information right there, the safety capital. They've got a massive safety capital of $150 million Australian dollars. You can check the documents, you can check the registries. They've got affiliate programs, and they have tons and tons of articles and press out there from massive names in the space like Business Insider, AP, Market Watch, Bitcoin.com, 𝐒𝐂𝐈𝐄𝐃. You name it, people are talking about this platform. And the affiliate program as well for the creators is a nice way for you guys to earn if you are trying to add another form of income to the platform. And in addition to those investment tools, they are offering that structured affiliate program designed for obviously different creators and community leaders. And this program is going to include a multi-level referral structure that is fully transparent. It's instant withdrawals, detailed performance analytics, and it is another nice way to add to the income potential with the Loanledger platform. Now guys, with the Loanledger platform, there's a couple things I want to show you guys, including the registration process. So once you want to get actually started on Loanledger and utilizing the platform with the AI, you just hit registration up here and you create an account. It's super simple. All you need is your email credentials and a password. Set up a account right here so we can log in and show you guys the dashboard and how the dashboard investment actually works. And you can actually get a screenshot here on the right side of what the dashboard looks like as far as your deposits, your AI trading, manual trading. Boom, we're good to go. We are now logged in. This is what the dashboard is going to look like. It's going to show you the up next crypto balance, or your balance, whatever your account is called. But my account's called Up Next Crypto, and you guys can see the time, the date, the deposits, the AI trading and performance trading as well. And you have a full access to your dashboard. So this is where you can actually make a deposit. Now you can deposit different types of coins, such as USDT BEP20, USDT TRC20, ERC20, USDT on the Polygon chain, USDC on BEP20, a lot of different stablecoin options on different chains. And you also have options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Tron, Polygon, and BNB itself. And then once you are invested and you have a balance in there, you choose the coin that you want, you choose the amount that you like, say 100, you do make a deposit, and then it's going to pop up the wallet address, and this is where you can actually make your deposit. Now once your deposit is done, then you can come over here to your dashboard and utilize different trading methods. For example, once you have, it's going to say right here, the operation is waiting. Once it's completed, boom, you can actually see your deposit, and this is where you're going to be able to actually use the platform to utilize their AI trading or their manual trading. Obviously, you need to register an account if you are actually trying to utilize the investment tools. And once you have an account, then you will be able to see all the different investment tools. And now you also have a token exchanger, so you can actually exchange different currencies. You can select the token that you have, for example, Bitcoin, and then select the token that you want to get, for example, USDT, and then you can swap it right there on the platform, which is really nice. So you don't actually necessarily have to swap coins or buy different currencies before you actually put it in the platform. You have that exchanger there as well for your needs. You have an affiliate program, you have transaction histories where you can see all your different deposits, and then you have your withdrawals. So this is where you can actually select the currency that you want to withdraw. Say you've made some profits from the AI trading, you pick BTC or you pick Ethereum, whatever it is, and you can actually put in your withdrawal address, put the withdrawal amount, set the wallet, and boom, you can literally pick it out right there. You put in the amount that you want to pull out, you put the wallet, you set wallet. There's a security code. Obviously, it's going to give you guys a two-factor authentication method to keep your funds safe, and then you withdraw, and there you go. It is in your external wallets. But this is kind of how it works. You can see the profit estimations. So as you can see, the different investment plans, the AI trading up to 2.75% daily, the performance trading up to 3.8% daily. Now these are the different investment tiers as well. Gold within a different investment tier, the lockup periods. Now say if we were to go with just the traditional AI trading method that they have, and it's $3,000, and you estimate the growth right here, boom, you can see that the daily return on 3K would be 52, which is pretty insane. And over time, with the set compounding rate of, for example, let's say 70%, the total return would be almost 5 grand with a net interest of 2 G's, which is really, really insane actually. Now, if you look at the performance trading and you set gold, and say we put 1,000, for example. Actually, no, we put 3,000 to be able to get the gold package, set the growth, and you can see that the amount of growth is absolutely immense. There's a massive difference actually with the growth that you get in here. Obviously, you get another extra percent on top, but once you go gold level or you even go platinum level, the amount of growth that you can actually have with this growth calculator is pretty insane. So I'm going to link it down below in the description for you guys to be able to set up your accounts and register an account. Once you do, do your own research, check out what type of investment plan works for you. And that is how you get into Loanledger. Now, crypto investing, guys, like I said, it is 2026. You do have to do a lot of research, but a platform like this takes a lot of that weight off your shoulders. We are in 2026 now with the power of AI, with the power of the systems and tools that are out there right now. Crypto investing does not have to mean trading charts, doing all the research yourself, or even trusting a black box that you don't even understand. Loanledger is being built and is actually built for the investors who want market exposure without active trading and without all of the risks and responsibilities that come with sitting there reading the charts all day, using the different indicators and the candlesticks. Loanledger is built different. It's built for the guys that are trying to have all of that be hands off, choose your model, allocate the amount of capital that you're comfortable with, and then use the platform to handle the execution going from there through the AI arbitrage or the professional manual trading. And if you're curious about the different approaches, how it works in practice, you can obviously explore the Loanledger using all of the different links and resources that they do have for you guys. They have a lot of different resources. They have Telegram support. They are on X, so you guys can actually check them out on the different social platforms. They're on YouTube, Facebook. They do also have a Telegram group. Again, they do have a nice growing community actually on X, as you guys can see, but they are always active. 23 hours ago, they're posting stuff out there for you guys. They're very, very active with their community, so it's a great place to actually find out more information about the platform, and also updates that come out. Platforms like this and many other platforms in the space like to actually post a lot of stuff on their socials, and they have over 800 members in their group. Tons of like-minded people like yourself online that are trying to get started with crypto as well, and this is definitely a really nice place. You can register right there. You can check out the live trading, their different offers and their programs. But I'm telling you guys, if you are looking to get into trading and make those crazy trading profits, they also have a four-star reviews on Trustpilot. And you guys know Trustpilot is an extremely difficult platform to actually get good reviews on. So you do have some nice reviews there. You guys can check that out as well for yourself. But like I said, it's 2026. If you guys are trying to get started in trading, don't do all the dirty work yourself. It does not make sense. Let AI do it. Let the platform professionals do it, and just dive in and try to make the profits that you can in the space. And if you enjoyed the video, as always, smash the thumbs up button. If you're looking to access Loanledger, hit the links down below, and I'll see you boys on the next video. Danny's out for now. Peace.